Well, Kay was fairly good today. Of course, she was in the dining room after breakfast. She greeted me okay. Because I got there not that early and nothing was going on, I took her to her room. We stayed there till it was time to go. So I got the bus right at 10:30 and away we went. Took some pictures of the way home, some video down on the waterfront, the industrial area, the dome. Nice and sunshiny, and it has now clouded up some, but the weather is warm. For October, it's really warm. That's the ship terminal for the load and unload container ships. This little thing here, I don't know where they're getting them, but I didn't see any ship in port, but I did look down there. I can't see the whole area. They're carrying something. They should be taking it to a spot to drop it off. See, that one's got some. Oh. Taking it away. They're all operated by electronically, I think. See, this one has something. There he goes, makes a right turn. He is going to drop it off there. Go back to pick up another one, I guess. So here he comes back. Or did he pick one up? Yeah, he's got one loaded. So maybe there's a ship down there they're putting them on, or trucks or freight cars, I don't know. Anyway, fuzzy. That's a truck over there in the background in the middle. Here comes another. He's empty, looks like. But he won't sit there long. I don't know what he's waiting on. Huh. Well. There's a pickup truck right in the middle to the right. They're real busy. They're loading something down there. Probably something that come off of a ship recently. They're shipping them out. I could move more to the right if I moved my camera to the window, but that's too much trouble. I'm running it off battery here, and I got this, I can't connect to the big TV if I go through the window. See, this one's got something on it, hasn't it? one in the middle there should be backing out pretty quick. I could go tighter, but the window makes it fuzzes it up. So notice no longshoremen are there. It's all been done automatically. All the stuff will be done by robots eventually, and then we'll all be on welfare, I guess. I don't know who's going to make the money to pay for it. Doesn't seem to have anything on it, I don't think. The one down front does not have. Well, see, this guy picked something up. Then we'll turn it off. Oh, passing the white one. There he comes, he's got that white one. No, Ed. Red one. No. I don't know what he did in there. Well, we'll try it again next time.